crisis has impacted so many industries this year as the virus forced businesses across the country to close their doors.
If you're ordering items online, expect shipping delays.
Do you think that advertisers are really going to flee and not come back?
That this is a wake-up call for a lot of particularly performance advertisers.
Is email dead?
We're introducing mail privacy protection, and it prevents senders from seeing if and when you've opened their email.
Yeah, let's do it. This is going to be epic.